Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this videos is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Pix Link LV WR17 Wi-Fi extender setup in very simple and easy way. The WR17 is a compact Wi-Fi repeater by Pix Link, operating on the 2.4 GHz band under the IEEE 802.11b divided by G divided by N standards, with a maximum link rate of up to 300 megabits per second. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the Pix Link extender box. Inside the Pix Link LV WR17 Wi-Fi extender box, you get the extender device itself with 4 external antennas, a quick installation guide for easy setup, and sometimes an RJ45 Ethernet cable for wired connection. Everything is packed compactly with the built-in power plug, so no extra adapter is needed. Now plug the WR17 into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED turns solid. On your phone or PC, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the network named PIX-Link_XX, shown on the device label. No password is required at this stage. Open a browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari. Type 192.168.10.1, sometimes 192.168.7.1, in the address bar and hit enter. Login page will appear. Login with username is admin and password is also admin, default. Select repeater/extender mode from the mode options. The WR17 will scan available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi, the one you want to extend. Enter your Wi-Fi password, must be exact. The extender will ask for a new SSID, network name. You can keep it the same as your main Wi-Fi, for seamless roaming, or add _ext, e.g., myhome_ext, to recognize it easily. Click Apply/Save. The WR17 will reboot, takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.